I think it was a bad toss to lose. And the good thing, their bowlers, they bowled in the right areas. They exploited the condition well, invited the batsmen to drive. And almost all of them, they were bowled, which means the deliveries were good, because you can't really question the talent of our top order. So I think, as I said, it was a bad toss to lose. What was important was, batting at number 7. We have Ashwin. That's the only, player who can bat behind us. Bhuvnesh can bat a bit, but, overall, once you are in so early, what you want is a respectable score, and that's what we wanted to do. We said, me and Raina, we were batting. We said, let's look to see this, both the balls, so that, it doesn't swing later on. And if you see their bowling attack, they had 3 seamers. After that, they had to bowl the spinners. So we decided that, we'll see off the new ball. And then once the spinners come in, we'll try to rotate. But, we found it quite difficult, because there was not enough for the fast bowlers later on in the innings after the 15th or the 17th over. But still, the spinners, their ball was not really coming on to the bat. So which had made it very difficult to rotate freely, and we were not really in a position where we could have played a big shot, because you lose one more wicket and we could have ended getting 100, 120 or 125 odd runs. So I think the main motto was to just keep that partnership going, reach close to 35 or 36 or 37 over, try to make use of the power play, and then try to get as many runs as possible in the last 10, 7 or 8 overs. वेल जैसा कि हमने बोला कि हम एक ऐसे स्कोर की तरफ जाना चाहते थे जो कि एटलीस्ट रिस्पेक्टेबल हो, और 2-3 अगर जल्दी से विकेट मिल जाए तो हम थोड़ा प्रेशर डाल सकें. तो आई थिंक फ्रैंकली, क्योंकि विकेट भी इम्प्रूव कर रहा था और सेकेंड हाफ में बहुत अच्छा हो गया था बैटिंग के लिए, तो आई थिंक 227 वाज नॉट रियली इनफ. नॉट टू फॉरगेट, हमारे पास एक पार्ट टाइमर भी था, इन द सेंस 3-4 बॉलर को मिला के 10 ओवर डालने थे. सो वो भी थोड़ा प्रेशर वाला सिचुएशन था. सो आई डोंट थिंक 227 वाज रियली इनफ इस विकेट में. बट हम उसी स्कोर तक पहुंच पाए क्योंकि हमने काफ़ी विकेट्स जल्दी गंवा दिए थे. Virat, I'm not sure as of now. We'll see. The physio has not given me anything, so he was icing. I don't know how serious it is, but we'll request for a press release, once we get to know how it is. Well, that was a difficult one, the reason being the senior players, Virendra Sehwag comes into the side, and, he has especially been picked for this series, which means, he needs to get a go ahead. And, that's the main reason. Of course, it's easy to say now that he has not scored runs, it makes it slightly easy. But, Jinx here, he'll get his chance, he'll just have to wait for it. There are 2 openers who are playing right now who has consistently opened for us. So, definitely he'll get a chance.